Good day. My name is Mark Stefan Jan Escabas. For today, I will discuss about heat maps. So, what is heat map? A heat map is a two-dimensional representation of data in which values are represented by colors. A simple heat map provides an immediate visual summary of information. More elaborate heat maps allow the viewer to understand the complex data sets. Data visualization. A data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data by using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps. Data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in data. So, the history of heatmap. Heatmaps originated in 2D displays of the values in a data matrix. Larger values were represented by small, dark gray or black squares, and smaller values by lighter squares. Toysent Law 1873 used a shading matrix to visualize social statistics across the districts of Paris. Snate 1957 displayed the results of a cluster analysis by permuting the rows and the columns of a matrix to place similar values near each other according to the clustering. Hughes-Bertin used a similar representation to display the data that confirm that Gottman scale. The idea for joining cluster trees to the rows and columns of the data matrix originated with Robert Ling in 1973. So, what are the uses of heat maps? The uses of heat maps, there can be many ways to display heat maps, but they all share one thing in common. They use color to communicate relationships between data values that would be much harder to understand if presented numerically in a spreadsheet. The common example of heat maps in the United States, many people are familiar with heat maps from viewing television news programs. During a presidential election, for instance, a geographic heat map with the colors red and blue will quickly inform the viewer which state each candidate has won. So, the example of heat maps. As you can see in the illustration, the number of enrolled students and banking and financial management students in Cebu Institute of Technology of University. So, in the from year 2015, there are 206 students enrolled in first year. By looking the color itself, you can easily determine the information. The color is yellow from 0 to 300, and then the next is 300 to 400. The color is vanilla. So on and so forth. That's all for heat map. Thank you.